Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of Vivo Y21. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have only low options, and in frame rates low, medium and high options. We will play on low graphics and high frame rates, so you will get 30 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 4GB RAM and MediaTek Helio P35 processor, which works on 12nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get good performance from the phone, and 6.51-inch IPS LCD display has good touch response. During the long gaming sessions, you get a decent frame rate and good graphics details. The 5000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of Vivo Y21 is up to the mark, and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.